Hello, energy friends. I'm Dr. Tara, and today we're flexing our muscles with the real heavyweight in our diet, protein. We'll delve into how this nutrient powerhouse supports energy metabolism and keeps our cellular powerhouses, the mitochondria, those mighty mitos, pumping. Protein is much more than just a muscle builder. It's an energy mobilizer. Every bite of protein-rich food you eat is broken down into amino acids, which are then used by your body in a multitude of ways. One of these is energy production. Now, let's imagine your body as a bustling city. Your carbs and fats, they're the daily commuters, the readily available energy source. But your protein, it's the special task force deployed in situations when those regular commuters are running low or when you're pushing your physical and mental limits, like during that extra mile of all you want to accomplish in your day. Moreover, proteins have another fantastic role. They're the hero fuel for mitochondria, our cellular power plants. They help create and maintain these mitochondria, ensuring they're functioning at their optimal and at their best. Proteins are like the construction workers, electricians, technicians, nurses, teachers, you name it, that keep the power plant running smoothly and efficiently and healthy. And remember, while protein does provide energy, it's not just an in case of emergency exit here kind of nutrient. Regular protein intake is crucial. It supports muscle maintenance, cognitive health, hormone production, and a strong immune system, among other things. So next time you're planning your meals, don't forget to invite Mr. or Mrs. Protein to the table. Your muscles, mitochondria, and energy levels will all celebrate their presence. After all, power isn't just about strength, it's about endurance, vitality, and maintaining your zest for life. So here's to powering up with protein.